Okay, y'all, I did my face, my makeup. Y'all know I got the same outfit on. It's fine because this is another. I'm about to do her makeup. Yeah, because I need a plain face, y'all.
You got paper?
Plain Jane.
Can I use this paper?
Plain Jane. I need to get some more baby. Oh my god. Y'all, she's
okay. I'm learning. Ooh,
this stuff make your face feel so soft. I was with Daisy. I was like, ah. That's how they gonna get shit back. Like when I step is like
y'all know. So just in case my eyebrow missing,
no,
y'all know.
I don't know about that, but I wasn't like going to use it.
And I love that me and Couture got the same skin complexion because she can just use her makeup on my face.
No, I'm mad because Deja got some bomb skin. Hold up, you like that too with this?
Yeah, you remember you used
like
it. You used the same one. You was like, I can't use it.
Cause y'all lighter than me.
Your feet lighter than my feet though, and your thighs.
But you know, I don't know. I'm lighter than this other one.
Not my cat though.
Give me that cat.
That's not my cat name. It's Kitty.
Give me Kitty.
Oh my gosh, my eyebrow is right there. I don't know. But you can't really walk like me. You can't even like me. Oh, bitch. Who the fuck is that?
Is she ugly, bro?
Bitch, don't become my eyebrows off. And when I take this shit off and be a big ass boss, you be able to draw my eyebrows up before work, bitch. You be a big ass boss. Cause I did them. Ouch, my eye.
You be on Ted. What happened to you be on Ted? You be on Ted?
That's funny. I feel real.
I feel funny.
I had to put that phone on the charger. Cause everywhere we go, my phone be dead all the time. Hunker sore. Ain't no place we go, my shit be on fully 100%.
That's that iPhone stuff. Android is bad. That's what I could say.
Y'all's break. No, Androids don't be breaking easily like iPhone. You fucking drop an Android on this flat, it break probably about the third time you do it. But the first 2 times, you good.
They give you warnings.
And you get to have more shit when your Android than your iPhone. And what's it called? Android's got more storage.
iPhone. Little package there. Little package there. You be like, what?
Who that?
You look like your mother.
I don't know, though.
Yes, you do.
Who mother? I ain't got no
Y'all
mother.
did her eyebrows. You like y'all. This don't do nothing for you, y'all. I'm just putting on your face. Y'all, she over here got issues.
What the fuck is this shit?
Foundation.
I thought I'm finna be a glazed honey bun. A glazed honey bun. A glazed honey shabun bun. Ooh. We got a screenshot.
Yeah, I want to do that with him.
This is like the same.
Cause you love
bitch, I hope you love me as much as I love you. Ain't mean to break your heart, but baby, that I went on Ancestry.
When we finish, it should be actually the rest should be on the company.
Ooh, who that bitch? Who that bitch?
Well, you fought it?
No.
I ain't fought, bro.
I'm gonna do
your
face
she got
next
did
time.
her around.
I'm gonna do your face next time. Can't wait.
Girl.
Let me look
You
at
gonna get all in your hand and then with your white regular shirt, you gonna be real mad.
I just realized I put on the fucking lunch. Why this bird at your window? I just plucked it. It was a red. That you.
It look natural. It's really pretty natural.
I'm mad because I don't got my fucking lash.
Hello? Yeah. I got y'all. I'm just so Barbie-ish.
I'm a fucking black Barbie, perfect waist, nice body.
I ain't got no perfect waist, but I got you know I got something there. It's something there.
Couture.
But yeah, Yes, if you have to pluck out your thing with this. This will work. I'm about to pluck, but we're gonna have to be together today.
Just keep plucking, and then when I'm done, it'll come out. You done plucking it?
Yeah, what you said?
You done plucking it?
Okay.
You done plucking it?
No, I see my little piece. Yeah, my right there, yeah.
And then when I brush it out, it'll be alright. I don't know where I put my salt. I'm gonna brush it out. Ooh, be careful. I'm gonna wish it with this thing. So which color this red or
I'm
this
about to say, get some of that wig spray so it can keep it.
Wig spray.
And it's good, Mari.
Okay, get off there.
Yeah, no, you stay on. Just call me when you about to get there.
Stay on me.
Yeah, stay on me.
Alright.
It's
Yeah, I brush this shit out. Alright, I'm gonna go in your bathroom.
y'all like our makeup done by me.
Ooh.
Girl.
I'm a bad bitch. Who you? Who you? Bad bitch. Who you? Catch these bitches.
Y'all, look at her here. She's super. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, you know how to sound. And more videos to come, like always, y'all. Like always, y'all. Most definitely. More videos to come. But thank you.